guys, so this is my project number 2. So this is the Suzuki Samurai, and I'm gonna convert into a Shogun now. So I'm gonna install a new Shogun engine. That rebuild, that building process is still in progress. I haven't procured much of engine parts for now. Doing now is I'll be removing the chassis of this whole bike. Then let's see what I'm gonna do next. Let's see the next process. I mean, I'm still in the process of removing the whole chassis, so I think it's gonna take a while now. So cheers.